We're in a process now of thinking about the future of the Guild. It's our 30th anniversary, and what does the next 30 years look like? And one of the things we've realized is because of the existential crisis of climate change, we don't have a lot of time, right? And no time like the present. And so as an organization, we're committing to sort of doubling down and growing our positive impact.
We have less than 2,500 acres. We're non-industrial, and we are based in community forestry. So our type of forestry is going to be different than what other people might be looking at on their private lands. We're going to be balancing our approaches for benefits for the community. It might not always be timber, maximum growth, and some of the other things that might be a real goal for other forest managers. For us, we have this very balanced approach. We're trying to grow these late sterile type of conditions, as well as have working landscapes, recreation, and all these multi-use things going on our lands.
Pacific Forest Trust is a nonprofit. We're a land trust. We're a think tank. We do and think. Our mission in a nutshell is wood, water, wildlife, and community well-being. So we manage forests, we conserve forests, not just for one of the values that they produce or two of the values, but we really want the whole package.
All right, here we go. Hit enter. 239.
I learned just through side conversations with people who are attending here. We had a long discussion about mycorrhiza, about mushrooms, and whether this forest is subject to mushroom harvesting, illegal mushroom harvesting. And it's not most of it, but part of it is.
The thing I learned the most about that I'm excited about was the redwoods that are really old growth and what determines a long living redwood tree. And it was a whole great day. Learned a lot.
So something I admire about the people I've met today is everyone's willingness to learn, to ask questions, to be challenged. I find that being amongst scientists of different backgrounds can be so rewarding because you get to hear all different stories of life and educations, and it all brings us to this point of we all want to learn the same things, and I find it to be so empowering to be amongst people who are willing to learn.
This is an organization that I would like to support because it had a good, it had high ethics and so forth. The trick is to take our fine ethics that we all get in forestry school and then be able to apply them to the real world.
I'm a strong believer in the Guild and the principles of the Guild. Founding member 97, we're going on almost 30 years here. So I've been a member all that time, and going to continue being a member, into the future. So that was a good thing to do, is to make that jump to a lifetime membership.
People in the Guild that have the same philosophy about forest management. They want to promote excellent forestry. It was a no-brainer to be a life member in an organization like that.